Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castle. Today is Wednesday, May 19, 2021, and today what we're going to do is that we're going to make a review of ancient Egypt. As you know, we saw this topic, but do you remember what we talked about? If you know, we talk about the vocabulary that there were in that age. So we have the Egypt, the pyramids, the desert, the coffin, the Sphinx, the pyramids were tombs. They were in the desert. The gods like Ra, Nut and Geb, and the tradition of mummification and all that. We also talk about hieroglyphics, pharaohs, and the amulets that they used, all that. Also about the Nile River. We were talking about how ancient Egypt was one of the most powerful civilizations back in history, and that's because they were close to the Nile River that provide them with food, soil, and water, and also was useful for transportation to place. We talk about how in the pyramids are treasures because they were used as tombs for the pharaohs, and they were buried with their treasures like the throne, jewelry, amulets, and gold, the golden mask, the coffins, all that. We've made a pyramid, I think. We also talk about how, well, the distribution of Egypt. You can see here that this is the Nile River, all this, and how the Nile River covered all that. We also talk about the laws and rules in ancient Egypt. As you know, the rules were based on the religious that they have. They believe that or they follow the codes of the god Ma'at. That this gives you the sense of what is right and what is wrong. Ma'at is the goddess of truth, justice, ethics, and balance. Truth, justice, ethics, balance, and harmony. And you can see here how she had her arms with wings. Ma'at, the concept of the goddess Ma'at was that everybody was equal except of slaves, and everybody was under the law, regardless how rich they were. And we also saw that the punishment if you break the law was for all your family, not just for you. So if if you were sentenced to exile, your dad, your mom, your children also needed to go out with you, also were exiled. Yeah, this video was to remind you about what we saw. If you think about something else that you talk, or we talk about ancient Egypt, tomorrow we're going to make some work with that. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow and have a very nice day.